3 verse 12 to verse 13, we see 40 men conspire to kill Paul. And they said, we will not drink, neither will we eat until we have killed him. They decided to fast. I have come to discover this world has wicked people, and those who dream our downfall, they are more than those who pray for our success. Jesus. They took an oath in fasting, and they said they will not eat until Apostle Paul dies. I don't know who has vowed. I don't know who is fasting for your downfall. I don't know who is fasting for your marriage to collapse. I don't know who is fasting. I don't know who is plotting. I don't know who is conspiring. But I stand as an oracle. Yes, I decree and declare, yes, anyone conspiring against this ministry, yes, anyone conspiring against your life and family, yes, anyone conspiring against your finances, yes, your business, your job, yes, I decree and declare, yes, let the judgment of God answer. Amen. Let the judgment of God answer.